Hello traders, today we are talking about Sony and Microsoft instruments, starting with Sony. Let's look at the instrument structure. As far as the graph is always fractal, we could figure out some consistent patterns. Monthly time frame shows us the clear picture of bullish impulses. Let's figure out significant Fibo levels for the instrument, setting up the Fibo tool on both huge impulses for comparison. One more. Okay. We see that price neglected first three Fibo levels, providing too much supply after strong impulse, going straight to 50% correction Fibo level, rebouncing to 38%, then going down to 61, and so on gradually, leading the correction to consolidation range. Here we see the second impulse, not so steep but strong enough. The correction of that impulse has begun, but whether it refreshes the highs or continue correction to 50% Fibo level. Let's see the volume divergence. Extremely high bullish volume there indicated very high demand and the beginning of bullish trend. Before the previous impulse here, we didn't see such anomaly, such extraordinary bullish volumes. Higher average volume indicates that the trend is gaining momentum. However, look at these shadows. Monthly candles with such small bodies and long shadows tell us about huge density of limit orders somewhere here. Here the buyers who lost their belief in further growth fixed their positions, bringing more supply to the market, selling their positions. That actions lead to the slowdown of the price. For sure, the price lacks power for further growth, but it's unclear is it reasonable to short the instrument. I appeal to wait and see the balance between bulls and bears. The price could repeat the strong correction to 50% Fibo levels and start consolidating, or it even could start small consolidation right there. But the refueling is inevitable. The price really lacks power for further movement to refresh the previous highs. I recommend to wait until the price gives us the sign of certainty. It will probably break the consolidation to any side, giving us the chance for entrance on retest or continue correction till the next Fibo levels, where we should look for turning patterns. Let's see what's next. Microsoft. Just look how the corporation has been delivering the value. What the growth. You would ask if it overwhelmed with such an outstanding growth. According to volume divergence and the intense competition with such giants as Apple, Amazon, Tesla in the field of investments inflow, obviously it's time for correction, isn't it? We see that the volume is slowing down from 2008, but the growth continues. Let's see the structure of this graph. See the structure of the actual trend. The slope is steady. The price forms so-called autonomous system. Impulse, breaking new level, consolidation above this level, new impulse, consolidation above new level, and so on. But we see the formation, the pattern, narrowing pennant. I like comparing such movement with spring compression. When we compress a spring, it straightens up sharply. So the price is the same thing. We are moving to the end of pennant, and it's gonna break the level. And it's gonna break the level with strong impulse. If it fails, the new range of consolidation will begin. I recommend to trade this instrument only for intraday speculation. For all the investors, I appeal to wait for a good correction to buy this instrument. Thank you. Please subscribe and write your trading ideas and the instruments to observe. Have a nice weekend.